Hello my dear knitters. In today's video I'll show you with more detail the male version of an easy beanie hat, which I showed you in a short video before. I made a lovely kit with a hat and mittens, and today we will learn to make a hat with more details, and the next video will be about mittens. Then let's start then. I have 5mm needles, and we will cast on 43 stitches for this hat on my 5mm needles. You enter and then you create a loop around the thumb, grab your yarn from index finger and pull it through and tight. Then continue like this for 43 stitches on your needles. I have 43 stitches on my needles. Now always on the first row, on the first stitch, we will put this line under to create knot edge. And now on the first row we need all stitches. By the front loop, here we go, enter, grab your yarn, pull through, enter, grab your yarn, pull through. Continue like this till the end of the row. And actually this will be our principal stitch for all hat. We will use this for all our hat. Last stitch we will knit as well to create knot, and then when we turn work we'll just pull this yarn under and just slip it. And now this will be our first row. We will knit all till we have 10 stitches on the left needle. Now we are on the first right side row of our section. We have 10 stitches on the left needle, and now we will wrap and turn this stitch. We take it off, wrap with the yarn and put it back on the left needle. Turn work and knit all stitches back, inclusive the last one. Here we are, knit last, turn your work, your yarn under your needle, slip first and knit all till we have 9 stitches at the end of the row. I'll see you there. Right, here we are. This is our stitch we previously wrapped, and we knit this stitch and wrap another one. Take, pull yarn in the front and put stitch back, turn work and knit all till the end, and repeat it till you have last stitch on your left needle. I'll see you there. Right, here I am, my last stitches. I'm wrapping last stitch, and we will do it with after every section. I turn my work. Let me just show you. Let me put this on this needle for now. And this, our first section finished. Our 10 stitches, which we do short rows. And here, knot edge. And now we will come back and repeat everything from the first row. Will be 10 9, 8, 7, etc. till coming in the last one, and we will wrap last one, and this stitch never will change. And then we will repeat this. I think for this hat I will do with this proportion 6 sections like this, because I need a male hat for 58 centimeters more or less. Then I will measure in here a little bit esticated, and now you will go with the same sections 6 or 7 times. I'll see you there, and we will decide how many of them we will do. Right, here I am in a final sewing of my hat. I've done 6 sections, and now I'm doing my sewing, and I wanted to show you that I'm using the same technique we use for invisible sewing. When in and out, then I have my stitch where my yarn get in. I'm getting in on this, getting out from another one, take it from the needle, pull it not very tight, and here I use, like my stitches, these little loops. And I enter in this loop from down to top, and I enter in the next one from top down, and I pull it. You see, here's my sewing. This is a right side, this is the wrong side, which will turn like this, and it's absolutely beautiful. Maybe appear a little bit of gap here, but it doesn't matter so much. Then let me show you again. Here I am entering this stitch, this one, get out. You can see how you do invisible stitch on other YouTube videos. It's easy, but you know, just this thing, which stitch I really use for this and this one, out. And here we go. And this is the final step for our easiest beanie. And have a happy knitting. Bye bye.